Hey everyone. Now, I don't have mobile reception at this house, so what I do is I use Wi-Fi calling, obviously over the Wi-Fi. But out here, I sometimes like to make a call out here, but there's no reception out here from the APs. So what I'm going to do is put an AP up here, so I have reception out here, just for 6 gig. So I'll show you what I've currently got and what I'm going to do. So for the front end of the house, I've got an AP in this little cupboard here, doing the whole front end of the house. And at the back, I've got this one out here too, which does the back area of the house and the bedrooms down this end. So for out the back, I'm just going to put one of these little APs up here, 6 gig, and slap it up there just to cover this area. That's its sole purpose for me on the phone. So it's not really an outdoor AP, but it'll be fine. Now the biggest problem I'm going to have is finding a spare port on this switch, which is pretty much full. But I do know that I originally had 3 cables going to the alfresco area, of which I'm only using 1. So I'll try and find them in the roof and use that as my connection for the new AP. I've configured up an AP on the desk here ready to go, so I know it works. And here it is over on the config. So I've got the front one, the back one, and the outside one. Right, here's the floor plan of my place. I've got the front AP here covering that sort of area, the back AP covering that area, and together they cover that both. I compute this thing and make it all final. It figures it all out. Now it claims to be green everywhere, not down the laundry. I don't care about. I've never even tried it. Don't even know if it works there. But out here is where I do have some problems with the phone on 6 gig. So what I'm going to do is put an AP there. So now I've got that AP there. I can show you a 3D. There's a bunch of walls there. I'll have reception out the back here, which is where I do make phone calls sometimes, just wandering out here. And it didn't have reception from these APs. So when I put this new one in, it'll be fine. Right, I found those 2 cables up there in the roof, so that was pretty easy. That would have been the hardest part otherwise. So I didn't bother taking the camera up there because it's a pain in the ass. Anyway, I got those cables, so what I'm going to do is put a hole outside in the eave to where the AP is going to be mounted. Which means I should have this done by the time this pizza's ready. Alright, it's all empty above that, so it should be pretty right to put the cable through there and then mount that there. So what I'll do, I'll fish the cable out first before I mount this. Actually, I better work out where this is going to be first so I can put the cable through that hole there. And I want to get that obviously in the middle of this thing. So I'll just measure this up. I do actually have outdoor screws here, so that's something. But anyway, see what happens. No wall mates here, just going in hard. It should be tight enough to fucking hold it there. It doesn't weigh much. If I can get the bloody things in. That's straight. Alright. That's the wrong way around. No, it's not. What I'm talking about. That looks straight to me. You can't see that, but I can. Looks straight at measure. I'll just put 2 more in there. Right, so that's going on with the port at the back. So, do that. Right, that's what we're going to have. So, next job is put a hole there, fish the cable out, and terminate the connector. Alright, just make this hole a bit bigger. Cable should fit through that, I hope. Right, now I'm going to shove some of this doorbell wire up here. And sort of rigid, so drop that down there. Hopefully I'll be able to find that in the roof and stick the other one too and pull it back down. Just shove some shit up there, I'll find it. Fucking pizza's got 5 minutes, Turkish. Don't know if I'll get this done before that pizza's ready, but we'll see. All right, I'm not going to get that done in 5 minutes, and this pizza is done. A bit knackered on the side, but most of the goodies are in the middle. So I'm going to have smoko and then get back to it. Right, I've had food, been up in the roof. I found this cable. Now I've taped it to the Cat 5, which I'm real lucky it'll just appear at this hole. Fucking it's wide enough. And there it is. That's the hard part done. Let's put a plug on this and then that's pretty much it. I've noticed a lot of people use the B standard that starts off with orange, but I use the A standard that starts with green, but probably doesn't really matter at this point in time, as long as it's crimped properly. So there's my plug. Alright, so I'll slap that in. It's still unpatched at the patch panel, but I'll get to that in a minute. See if I can get this thing back up there. Come on. Slide this in. Get in. It's in there. Can't reach it. Okay, I'll just shove it up there. That's pretty good. All right, that's concealed. So I'll patch that in and power it up. All right, so just plug these fellas in. I still don't know which one of those two it is, but I know it's one of those two. And it should be powering up. All right, there it is, flashing away. So that's powering up now. I'm going to lose the light out here soon because it's short winter days, but I'll boot this up, then do a quick speed test because that's what you got to do. All right, that's up and running now. So I'll do a speed test because, you know, why not? So see what happens. So I'll show you. I'll try and show you. See it coming in. What do we got? 800-ish. Should have cracked 900. I cracked 900 on the desk, but I guess it's afternoon now and everyone's using the net, so close enough to 900. Let's call it 900. That's what I was getting before. So anyway, that works, and that's what I've been up to today, just a bit of hands-on work. So that'll do for now. Till next time, take it easy. And Cunt's going to annoy me on the phone out here now.